Gwobrau, Siarter Iaith
A Charlie ydw i.
Ni ydi Cymraeg Cymraeg Ysgol Gynradd Glanllyn, Cardiff. A hoffwn ni siarad gyda chi I gyd am ein gwaith y gyfer gwobr efydd.
We are in Crew Cymraeg in Lakeside Primary School, Cardiff, and we would like to talk to you about our work for the Cymraeg Campus Bronze Award. Being a member of Crew Cymraeg has been a fantastic experience for us, helping to develop and launch new Welsh initiatives through the school.
As Crew Cymraeg, it is our job to encourage pupils
And staff
to speak Welsh regularly both inside and outside the classrooms.
We've introduced a lot of new ideas and would like to talk to you about a few of them.
Gemau Iaith Playground Games. 3 days a week at playtime, Crew Cymraeg hosts a range of Welsh activities on the yard. We play a range of different games such as Faint o Gloch Mr Blythe, Tag Cymraeg and Arc Noah. We also have beautiful dragons displayed on the playground walls, where different year groups can come and practice their language patterns by either writing on the dragon board or having conversations with us. We have also been responsible for designing Gold Badge, which pupils work towards achieving based on the number of games they play throughout the year.
Another of Crew Cymraeg's jobs is to record and produce a monthly vlog about our Welsh activities. The vlog is then posted on the school website for parents to keep up to date with our progress.
These are great fun to make. Early on, I mentioned dragons. We also have dragon boards inside our school. On each of these dragons is a Welsh question and some possible answers. The aim of the dragons is to encourage Welsh conversations around the school. In order to help the children pronounce words correctly and think of ideas, there's a QR code next to each dragon. The QR code links to a video showing an example of a conversation. We have noticed a big increase of the amount of Welsh spoken in our school, and we have been so pleased to see such a positive attitude towards the language. Cymru am byth!